Today we're looking at the sequence runner mode, which is available on the P300 Ultra. This allows fast multi-channel switching of the 3 wavelengths using a TTL input from a camera or other external hardware. To set sequence runner mode, you press a short duration press on the mode button. You then select the wavelengths you intend to work with by pressing the select button on the control pod. The order that these are triggered in is defined by the number on the left, and the intensity is defined by the number on the right, which can be adjusted using the plus or minus buttons on the control pod. When happy with your settings, connect your TTL input to the global BNC connector and press the on-off button on the control pod. The selected wavelengths will trigger at the next available TTL high. Thank you for watching this cool Ed tutorial video.